If your Sunbeam heated blanket isn't working properly, don't panic. Most problems can be fixed with a few simple checks. Start by making sure the blanket is plugged directly into a working wall outlet. Avoid extension cords or power strips, as they can interfere with proper voltage. If the blanket isn't heating, unplug it completely, wait a few minutes, and plug it back in to perform a basic reset. Many digital controllers will stop flashing once the reset is successful. If the controller is blinking or showing an error, it's signaling a fault. Try the fold test. Fold the blanket neatly 3 times, turn it to the highest heat setting, and wait about 5 to 7 minutes. Carefully check for warmth between the folds. If there's still no heat, inspect the cord, connector, and controller for fraying, bent pins, or visible damage. Never use the blanket if you see exposed wires or burn marks. Digital models may display codes like FF for general faults, E for sensor issues, or P codes for power problems. If errors persist after resetting, discontinue use. Also be aware that heated blankets naturally wear out over time, and manufacturers recommend replacing them every 5 years for safety. If your unit is under warranty, contact Sunbeam for repair or replacement. If not, and issues continue, reach out to customer support for further guidance.